How to fix your not authorized error in Microsoft Teams. So, if you encounter a problem like this, the first thing you should do is you have to check your account permission. Make sure you're logged in with the correct Microsoft account that has access to the Teams or organization. Sometimes using a personal account instead of your work school account causes this error. Number two, sign out and sign back in. Click your profile picture in Teams, select sign out, close the application, reopen, and log back with the correct account. Number three, clear Teams cache. Close Microsoft Teams completely if you have downloaded it on your desktop. You just have to simply go on Windows and then press enter, delete all files. Or if you're using it in the Microsoft Edge or browser, just go to settings, privacy, and then tap on clear cache. Next is check with your admin. Sometimes your IT admin needs to grant you access to specific teams or channels. 5. Use Team Web version. Open a browser and go to teams.microsoft.com. Log in and check if the error persists. Sometimes the web application will work when the desktop app has issues. Next is update Microsoft Teams. Make sure you have the latest Teams version installed. Check your profile picture. If you see check for updates, click that one. And lastly, reinstall Microsoft Teams. So uninstall Teams from your device, go to any web browser, download and reinstall it from the official Microsoft Teams website. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.